Yo, what is going on, Dr. Gang? Welcome back to this video, and today we're going to be doing a video on how to make a West Coast type beat. Thought I'd do it. I've done them before, like way back, like many months ago, but I of course didn't have a face cam and I didn't really say anything in the video. I didn't say anything at all in the video, so I'm gonna see if I can do it again. I haven't made a West Coast type beat in a while, so this should be very interesting. But yeah, if you guys like the video, leave a like. Don't forget, share the video with your friends, comment in the comment section below, of course, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications while you're at it. And I'm gonna see y'all on my computer. Peace. Alright, y'all, back on my computer for this Southside, whoa, not Southside, West Coast type beat. We're doing a West Coast type beat. Now to start off with my melody, I'm going to use Nexus to find a nice piano melody. Just play around with some stuff, you know, some chords, you know, get that little West Coast bounce. Hopefully I could do it, because most of the time I suck at it. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and try and figure this out, and let's just do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for that piano real quick.
Many months later.
Alright, y'all, so instead of actually doing the melody first, I'm gonna go ahead and start the bass line because I found it to be easier to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and start that bass line real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and work backwards, I guess, and go into the drums and then the melody, or melody, drums, whatever I decide. But yeah.
Ass, titties, ass and titties, ass, titties, titties, ass and titties, ass, titties, ass and titties, ass, titties, titties, ass and titties. Big booty bitches that's wearing gas.
Alright, y'all, so I got the bass line down. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is show you guys the bass line, then I'm gonna go straight into the piano, and then after that I gotta find the lead, because you know all good West Coast type beats have that nice cheesy lead. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that after I do the piano. But for now, here is the bass line. Here's what the bass line sounds like. But yeah, that's what I got so far. And yeah, next I'm gonna go to the piano like I just said, so yeah. Alright. Ooh, I like that.
Eventually.
Okay, y'all, so I got the piano melody done. I know it was quick, but trust me, this is hard so far. I mean, I'm already getting excited, so you know, just listen. But yeah, that's what I got. And man, this sounds tough. This sounds really nice so far. So we gotta go ahead and continue. I might look for that lead. I'm gonna look for that lead. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. It's gonna take probably a little while because I don't remember what lead they use in Nexus, but we will find it. We will find a lead, something. If not, I'll go through Omnisphere because you know that's my backup. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and look for that right now. Okay, guys, we found the lead. Finally, we finally found the lead. It was actually not in Nexus, it was in Citrus, called Click. Messed with it a little bit, took out some sounds. And I think this should have been in San Andreas. I think this should have been in GTA San Andreas. But here's what the beat sounds like, and enjoy. Well, I mean, we're not done yet, obviously, but here's what I got for the melody. Doesn't that make you want to crip walk? Like, I know, it's fire. Alright, so next, I'll move on to drums. Probably gonna pick out a what's it called? Should I pick out a kick now, or should I do the hi-hats? There's so many things to choose from. Let's just do the kick. I'm gonna do the kick of the clap. That's what I'm gonna do, because the clap is like my favorite part of West Coast type beats, because it has this, you know, I'm gonna show you in a minute. Alright, so look. So boom. Alright, we're gonna get this kick right here. Alright, so far this is what I got for the kick. Here's what I got for the clap pattern. I got, you know what I'm saying, this so far. Alright, so that last part, I did that on purpose. Now there's this little trick that those West Coast producers like to do, like DJ Mustard. There's this little thing they like to do, so like here's what I have right here. Alright, so here's what you're supposed to do. I made a mistake. Instead of having them all highlighted like in this second to last group of bars here, you're gonna want to have them, well, originally when you know what I'm saying, when you chop them up, they're gonna be out like this. What you're gonna want to do is shrink them down so that they're, you know what I'm saying, filling up half of the half of the bar. Then slide it over to the second half and then do that whole little velocity trick where it just has every single thing going up, you know, one step at a time, and then it should sound like this. Gives you that nice little rising effect. Sounds really dope in a lot of beats, and I know you've heard it before. So yeah, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and add the kick, and then we're gonna move on to the hi-hats after that. I almost forgot. Alright, so I did the kick pattern. I'm going to show you what it sounds like in a second. Then after this, what I'm going to do is do the hi-hat pattern. Add some stuff to it, you know what I'm saying? Make it sound, you know, really nice. Add even more of a bounce to it than it already has right now. And yeah, here's what the kick pattern sounds like together with the rest of the beat. So, here you go. Yo, YG, holler at me, bro. I'm about to send this to YG. Who else should I send? I don't even know. But there you go. There's what it sounds like so far. And now we're going to add the hi-hats. So sit tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. And that didn't make any sense. I'm going to go ahead and do the hi-hats. All right. Alright, y'all, the beat is all done and ready to go. I may or may not finish this, add more to it later. Change up the hi-hats, you know what I'm saying, sped them up a little bit. And yeah, here's what it sounds like. Have a listen for yourself and enjoy. But yeah, I know that, bro. I didn't know I could do something like that. That's tough. But let me know what you guys thought about the beat in the comment section below. Of course, if you guys liked the video, leave a like. Don't forget, also subscribe to the channel if you're new. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications while you're at it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. And I'm gonna see you on the next one.